Microsoft community, are you looking to turbocharge your team's productivity and collaboration?
Then you can't miss our pre-conference workshop at the M365 Community Conference in beautiful Orlando, Florida, where we're diving deep into the world of Microsoft Teams and SharePoint. Specifically, how to bring out the best of them using Power Apps and Power Automate.
Join us for a full day of conversation, hands-on learning, and thought-provoking solutions.
Ooh, like what, Matt?
How about practical, real-world things like automating team or project status updates?
Or automated content management, review, and update systems?
You know, Sean, that does sound great.
But wait, there's more. We're adding a sprinkle of AI with Copilot, touching on how AI can supercharge what we do in Power Automate and Power Apps, among other things.
And it's not all serious. Expect some fun and banter as we navigate through these incredible tools and how you can put them to work well beyond the specific examples we'll work on together during the day.
You'll leave armed with a whole bunch of new ways to bring your team closer together with the best of what Microsoft 365 and Power Platform has to offer.
So start your Microsoft 365 Community Conference experience off the right way with us. Walk away the expert who doesn't just know how these tools work, but how you can tie them together to actually get things done. So we'll see you there.
See you there.